everyone. In last video lecture, we have covered some points of fourth unit, sensors and transducers, in which block diagram of instrumentation system, pressure gauge instrumentation system, sensors, and in that we have seen the thermal sensors and their types, which is contact and non-contact type thermal sensors, and their subtypes are covered in our first lecture. Let's start our second lecture, and the contents of today's lecture are optical sensors, magnetic sensors, electric sensors and their subtypes. Optical sensors. Optical sensors converts light signal into electrical signal. These are mainly used in non-contact type measurements. Classification of optical sensor based on output signal: photoconductive, photovoltaic, photodiode. First, photoconductive optical sensor. The change in light energy causes change in the resistance of photoconductive optical sensor, and this change in resistance can produce change in electrical output. Thus, light can be sensed. Next is photovoltaic optical sensor. The change in incident light energy causes change in its output voltage. The third one is photodiode. The change in incident light causes change in output voltage. Optical sensor consists of two sections: transmitting section and receiving section. From transmitting section, the light is emitted. The emitted light strikes on the object and it is reflected back to the receiver section. The reflection of light is evaluated. Depending on the transmitter receiver section, the optical sensors can be classified as below. Classification of sensors based on transmitter receiver used. Through beam sensors, retroreflective sensors, diffusion reflection sensors. First one is through beam sensors. It consists of object, transmitter, receiver, emitted light, conveyor belt and direction to travel. This is used for absolute detection of object. The transmitter section and receiver section are placed opposite to each other. A conveyor belt on which objects are placed. These objects are packed boxes of any product and are to be counted for dispatch receiver. The transmitter emits light towards receiver receives it. When any object comes in between light, the light beam is interrupted and receiver receives zero signal. Each time the object passes by cutting the light beam, the receiver signal goes zero. Thus, the number of objects can be counted by processing the receiver signal side. Example: a counter circuit can be connected to receive side, which can count the number of times zero signal is received, which is equal to number of objects passed. The next one is retroreflective beam sensor. It consists of light source, shaft, reflected beam, photoelectric transducer and counter. The arrangement as shown in figure, it uses a light source which is a part of transmitter section and photoelectric transducer is receiver section. This is also used for measurement of rotational speed. Diffusion reflection sensor. It consists of transmitter and receiver, object, conveyor belt and direction of travel. Both transmitter and receiver are in same section. The arrangement is as shown in figure. The transmitter light is reflected back to the object and can be detected. The light source used for all above types can be LED, laser, etc. Features of optical sensor. The operation is not affected by external magnetic field. Remote operation is possible. Can be used for in hazardous or explosive environment. Size is compact. Arrangement is convenient. Multiplexing is possible. Limitations. Interference of external light may causes malfunctioning. Applications. They are used in many devices where object detection by non-contact method light detection is required. Ambient light sensor, position sensor, flash detection, biomedical field. In ambient light sensor used in mobile phones, used in illumination control devices, that is, lamp are turned on automatically if darkness is detected by optical sensor. Second one, position sensor. It gives output when object interrupt light. Thus, it can be used in process industries for counting of jobs completed. Third one is flash detection. In photography work, the number of flashes are to be synchronized to get desired light effect. So, optical sensors are used in such cases. And last one is biomedical field. For optical heart rate monitoring, breathing analysis. Magnetic sensors. A magnetic sensor is a transducer which converts magnetic field into electrical signal. The unit of magnetic flux density is Telsa. Other unit in Gauss, and 1 Gauss equal to 10 raised to minus 4 Telsa. Types of magnetic sensors. Low range magnetic field, earth magnetic field sensor or medium range magnetic field sensor, bias magnetic field sensors. First one, low range magnetic field sensors. These are used for measuring low value of magnetic flux density. The example of these sensors are superconducting quantum interference device, fiber optic sensor. Superconducting quantum interference device. This device works on Josephson effect. A current I is passed through superconducting loop. When any magnetic field is not present around the loop, the current is distributed uniformly in two loops. When a magnetic field of small magnitude is present around the loop, a screening current Is gets circulated which such that it changes the current distribution in the loop. The current in loop becomes a voltage appears across junction at a particular value of the current. Next one is fiber optic sensor. It consists of laser beam polarizing processing, sensor, detector, polarization processing. It makes use of fiber optic cables. A laser beam is passed through polarization processing equipment and given to sensor which consists of fiber optic cable. The light is further passed to polarizing process that and detector back. When magnetic field is present around sensor, the resultant light is produced which is passed to detector circuit which detects magnetic field and measures it. Next one is earth magnetic field sensor and medium range magnetic field sensors. These sensors uses the earth magnetic field for navigations and vehicle detection. These are semiconductor type available in many forms. Examples are Hall effect sensor and magnetoresistors. Hall effect sensor. When a semiconductor material carrying current is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field, an EMF is induced across the two opposite edges of the semiconductor. A germanium semiconductor pieces carries current I. It is placed in perpendicular direction to the magnetic field. Due to Hall effect, an EMF Vh is induced across the two opposite edges. These are integrated chip IC sensors made up of semiconductors. The Hall effect sensors are germanium, silicon, etc. The popular sensor in market is UGN series by National Semiconductors. It gives 10 mV per Gauss or 1 Gauss equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter per square. Next is magnetosensor, magnetoresistor. It works on magnetoresistive effect when current passes through ferromagnetic material. The internal magnetization vector is parallel to the current flow, but the external magnetic field is applied in opposite direction to current flow. The internal vector changes its position. The magnetoresistor can be connected in Wheatstone bridge from to detect the magnetic field. Next is bias magnetic field sensor. These are magnetoresistors of higher capacity to sense high magnetic field. Factor to be considered while selecting a sensor. Type of physical parameter to be measured. Range, the maximum limit of the physical parameter to be measured. Accuracy required. Resolution, that is smallest change that is required to be sensed. Repeatability and cost. Cost should be minimum.